Okay, so I'm going to show you how I edit all my videos, long form and short form, by just dropping my videos into Claude. And let me just show you an example. So this is the raw files. And what it will do is give me outputs like this. Right, so Claude just released Claude Design Activity Send. So it removes filler words, it cuts the video, adds motion graphics. This is the final YouTube video. And obviously you can ask for changes, edit it however you want. So what we will be using today is Claude desktop app. This is Claude Code. Now, what I like doing personally is using it in the terminal. It's just so I can easily see my files, and I've always used the terminal for coding. But on this occasion, I'm going to show you how to set it up in Claude desktop. So you go to here, chats, Cowork, and then you have Claude Code. Now I am in my video editor Claude. And what I will do is, these are my raw recordings that I exported from Screen Studio. So as you can see, just a video of my head talking. This is the voice. And this is the screen recording. So what I actually do before I start is, hi Claude, here are my files, raw recordings. Please edit me the YouTube one in 4K, removing fillers. Make sure you read the transcript and analyze and cut according to the story so it makes sense. I also then want you to make shorts out of it. You can do informative videos, you can do adverts like this, you can do motion graphics. Right, so once you do download this project file, you will have to get an API key from ElevenLabs. And what this does is it analyzes your transcript. So this doesn't actually see your video visually, but it understands the audio, timestamps, and where it should cut the scene. Okay, so it's done the transcript. So this is literally all I have to do. Put the raw recording in, said edit it, and that's it. Okay, so it's got my videos back, and we have exactly what I wanted. Agents, and what an AI agent actually is. An AI agent is basically an employee. That's how you need to look at it. Any repetitive tasks, any tasks that are done on the computer, an agent can take care of it. This is how I treat my agents. So for example, we have a go viral employee, a lawyer employee, we have an ads creator employee, we have a video editor employee. And so all these agents are actually employees. That is really good. Exactly what I wanted. Let's check another one. What we can do here is we can do a new session. Hi, can you tell me about Tesla? Okay, so this was the response we got from a normal conversation. Tesla is an American electric vehicle company. Here's a quick overview. Right, so now let's switch back to Claude. It's giving me a full analysis compared to just asking normally. And you can see clearly an AI agent is... Right, that's brilliant. Now, what I want you to do is the first part of the video where I am just talking, can we do 19 TikTok short, but with motion graphics. Okay, so the two files you need on how to set this up is, this is an open source project. All you have to do is copy and paste this into your Claude and say set this up. And the other one is the video use. The first one is for motion graphics, and this one's for actually editing your video. If you just copy this link, put in Claude, say set this up for me, it will work. However, I do provide my own project where you can just literally copy and paste it all into your workflow and it'll be ready to use, set up exactly how I do it, and the videos come out how mine do. So I've literally got a structure in place where I record a video like this or like that one, export the raw recordings, put it into Claude, and that's it, done, ready to post. Move on to the next video, move on to the next video. And this really gets your creative flow working, because you don't need a video editor anymore session. So that is how I use my video editor. And if you want to know more, join my school, and that's it. Thanks.